For these beautiful summer days, I would like to give you a very easy and very effective skin hydration mask that you can make at home with only 2 ingredients. Because if you feel that your skin is calling you, crying for water, and you feel this like kind of stretch feeling of dry skin, this mask is perfect for you. We use only 2 ingredients, and this will be aloe vera gel and cucumbers. So you probably used aloe vera gel to soothe sunburn and just soothe the skin. Aloe hydrates, heals, and helps reverse skin aging process like a glass of healing water. Aloe vera can also be used on a healthy skin as a remedy for dry skin. And together with the cucumber in this recipe, it's a beautiful combination of a cooling effect and a healing effect and hydration, of course. So like I said, the aloe vera benefits are moisturizing, reduce inflammation and hydrate. And the cucumber, it's like, you know, it's one of these good old medicine that you cannot replace. It's so rich with minerals and vitamins, enough to give you this daily dose of goodness to your skin. There's vitamin B6, for example, mineral like calcium and magnesium, which are responsible to various body function, including healthy vision. Cucumber has an anti-inflammatory effect that helps reduce puffiness. That's why we use them on the eyes all the time. They helps hydrate the skin as well, and their cooling temperature, cooling down the skin, which also support to minimize the pores and just stretch the skin out. So like I said, we're gonna use aloe vera gel and cucumber. So I took about this piece of cucumber, I sliced it and I put it in the blender. So it comes to this kind of liquidy with little pulp pieces. I'm gonna put 2 spoons of aloe vera inside and mix it up. That's it. It's super simple, right? Now you're gonna clean your skin, of course, first thing, and apply this paste on your skin. If you need to add more aloe vera, if you feel it's too liquid, do that. If you need to add more cucumber, do that. But that's really 2 ingredients and it's good. Place it on your skin, relax for any time between 10 and 20 minutes, 30 minutes if you feel like. Play some relaxing music and rinse it off. You will feel, after first use, you will already feel the hydration of the skin. So have a beautiful summer and enjoy.